And Pakistan seems to be celebrating this massacre with a cake. A cake brought inside the Pakistan High Commission, with a man carrying a cake evading questions when asked. We have these pictures of protests that have broken out at the Pakistan High Commission. Cake taken inside the Pakistan High Commission. The protests erupted outside the Pakistan High Commission at this point in time. This has got to do with the anger and the outpour of grief of people who are extremely upset. Piyush has more details on that. Piyush, the people are angry, and at the end of the day, a cake that was being taken inside the High Commission. Piyush.
Well, absolutely. There's a lot of anger among the people, Sneha, and that is why we are now seeing as to how barely 100 meters away from Pakistan High Commission in Delhi, the people have gathered here in large numbers, holding placard in their hands which reads Pakistan High, and this protest is taking place under the banner of anti-terror action forum. So you can see as to how the sloganing is taking place, where everyone is shouting Pakistan High. So it's a protest against Pakistan, which is now being carried out, and people from different parts of Delhi have come here. They are holding placards in their hand, they are holding tricolour in their hand, and they are all set to march towards the Pakistan High Commission. Let me try to get in a word from people who have come here and understand the sentiments which is there in their heart after this horrific incident which has taken place in Pahalgam. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं और क्या मांग लेके आए हैं आप लोग?
See, I am a doctor working in Delhi, and this is an act of utter cowardness. We want the revenge from it, and we want Pakistan to be at the knees. They should know that they have, like, whatever they are doing is act of utter terrorism. So we don't support it, and we want our government to take strict actions against it.
What kind of actions you are looking for?
They should cut off all or snap all the relations or the ties with them. We should even give them I'm not saying for fighting, but they should cut off all the business relations and coming and going out of India and going to this all should be terrorism.
What are you planning? How are you going to register your protest?
See, we'll be heading towards the Pakistan High Commission, and we'll tell them that we are in solidarity and we would fight with them.
How the people have come here and they are all set to march towards the Pakistan High Commission. Also, let me try to show you more visuals from this very place, and you can also see more people who have come here, and let us talk to them also. आप लोग कहाँ से आए हैं, क्या मांग लेकर आए हैं?
हम दिल्ली से आए हैं, हम मुस्लिम समाज से हैं। हमारे मन में जो दुख है उस दर्द को हम बता नहीं सकते। जिस तरीके से हमारी बहनों के घर को उजाड़ा गया, जिस तरीके से हमारे भाइयों को मारा गया है, वो लम्हा हम देख नहीं सकते। वो जिस तरीके से हुआ है, अब इस पाकिस्तान को हम ये बताना चाहते हैं, नाम पाक का रख रखा। पाक वर्ड कितना बड़ा है, पर हरकतें नापाक ही है इनकी। ये पाकिस्तान नहीं, ना पाकिस्तान है। जिस तरीके से इन्होंने हमसे पंगा लिया है ना, मैं भी एक मुसलमान समाज से हूँ, मैं इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री से निवेदन करना चाहता हूँ, जिस तरीके से वीर अब्दुल हमीद ने जाकर पाकिस्तान में सात टैंकर उड़ाए, हमें भी एक बार मौका दो, हम भी ग्रेनाइट बांध के पाकिस्तान में जाकर उड़ाने का हिम्मत रखते हैं। इतना दुख आज हमारे घर के अंदर है, इतना दुख हमारे समाज में, हमारे दिल में, इस देश के बच्चों में वो दुख है।
आज यहाँ पर आए हैं, किस तरह से आप अपना प्रोटेस्ट रजिस्टर करने जा रहे हैं?
हम इस देश, ये भारत पाकिस्तान के आगे झुकेगा नहीं। अब ईंट का जवाब ईंट से देंगे, अब हम झुकेंगे नहीं, इस बार जवाब लेके रहेंगे।
ईंट का जवाब ईंट से देंगे। That's what the people are saying here, Sneha. And few minutes from now, they're going to march from this very spot, which is right next to Chanakapuri police station. And we can see as to how people have gathered here in large numbers. And few leaders from BJP have also joined this protest. We can see Dr. Harshvardhan, former union minister, standing there on the truck which has been specially called here, and this truck will also be marching towards the Pakistan High Commission, where all the protesters are going to register their protest against the horrific, brutal killing of our civilians. And remember that this attack has taken place after 26/11, where civilians in large numbers have been killed, and that is why the sentiments are running high. People are demanding the government of India to take strictest possible actions, though few decisions have been taken after yesterday's cabinet committee on security meeting, but a lot needs to be done. That's what the protesters here are demanding. Shreya.
Be with us. I'm just going to come back to you, Piyush Mishra, in a second from now. Angry voices that right behind Piyush. But before I go back to him, just to tell our viewers that on your screens at this point in time are pictures, in fact, of that very moment. It's a video that we have accessed. That very moment where you can see in the meadow, there were some people who were just resting, enjoying themselves. As you can see in these pictures, and the terrorist actually walks up to them and shoots them point blank. That's on your screens at this point in time. Disturbing pictures. Piyush is back, in fact, with us. Piyush, the people there are extremely angry. Just talk to them about the kind of measures that India has now taken by far. And what is the expectation really from this government? India has taken a handful of retaliatory measures already.
Well, certainly, Shreya, and I can see more people joining this protest. I can see more people coming here in large numbers, and from every corner of this place, there's only voice coming in Pakistan hi. So here people continue to chant slogan against Pakistan. क्या मांग आप लोग लेके आए यहाँ पर?
हम ये पाकिस्तान ने जो कायराना हत्या की है, उसकी हम घोर निंदा करते हैं। इन्होंने अपना बहुत ओछापन दिखाया है। लोगों की पहचान पतलून उतार के की है। इससे बड़ा दर्द कोई झलक नहीं सकता। मगर हमें विश्वास है कि इनके ऊपर ऐसी पाबंदी लगाई जाएगी, ऐसी घेराबंदी करी जाएगी कि इनकी आने वाली
व्यक्ति हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता भारत की राजधानी में कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर हम संकल्प भी ले रहे हैं और हम अपने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को ये विश्वास भी दिला रहे हैं कि सारा देश उनके साथ है और हमें पूरा विश्वास है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में पाकिस्तान से इन 28 नृशंस हत्याओं का ऐसा बदला लिया जाएगा कि पाकिस्तान शायद उसको अपने जीवन में कभी भूल नहीं पाएगा। उसकी शुरुआत उन्होंने कल पानी इत्यादि बंद करके कर दी है। आने वाले समय में देखते हैं कि अभी क्या क्या होगा। मैं समझता हूं कि ठीक ही कहा है अमेरिका के इतने बड़े पेंटागन के सिक्योरिटी एक्सपर्ट ने कि पाकिस्तान के आर्मी चीफ को उसको कंपेयर करना चाहिए उसामा बिन लादेन के साथ और पाकिस्तान को टेररिज्म को सपोर्ट करने वाले स्टेट के रूप में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर घोषित किया जाना चाहिए। ये हमारी मांग अंतर्राष्ट्रीय कम्युनिटी से भी है, यूनाइटेड नेशंस से भी है और हम यहाँ पर विश्वास दिलाने आए हैं उन परिवार के लोगों को कि उनके इस दुख के अंदर पूरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता उनके साथ हैं। उनके परिवार के आत्मा की शांति के लिए हम भगवान से प्रार्थना करते हैं। जो लोग घायल हुए वो जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक हो, उनके लिए भी प्रार्थना करते हैं। भगवान से इसी प्रार्थना के साथ भारत की सुख समृद्धि के लिए हम आज प्रार्थना करते हैं।
सर एक